Hi, my name is Steve. I'm 62 years old and live in Sandy, Utah. I first started having health issues 2012 when I first noticed my blood pressure was high. It went as high as 220 over 100. At about 2016, I was having problems swallowing my food and dealing with heartburn on a regular basis. May 2019, I visited Dr. Ray Andrew. In July, he started me on the leaky gut protocol. I took my blood pressure and it was very low. I quit taking lisinopril and hydrochlorothiazide. I also quit taking the omeprazole, and so I've not had to take omeprazole since about August 2019. Today is May 14th. 2020. I also went from a weight of 210 to 178 pounds. My health is incredible. Well, maybe that's an overstatement. It's much better than it was a year ago. My pant size went from 38 to 33 waist over a period of 3 months.